In this video, we will use the application and modeling with linear equation for solving motion problem. Our problem is that my friend named Charles rides his bicycle from his house to the park. He starts at this house and rides at a constant speed of 12 miles per hour. The park is 6 miles away from his house. How long will it take for Charles to reach the park? If Charles wants to return home after spending 2 hours at the park, what time he will reach home? So first we will determine the problem. Step 1. Our problem is how long will it take to reach the park. And the second is, after spending 2 hours, what time he will reach home. So that is our problem. The step 2 is for assign a variable. So t, the time is, we don't know yet the time, and d, we have the distance. For d, we have 6 miles away, 6 miles. So for the time, distance, and speed, we have 12, where it is 12 miles per hour. So 12 hours per hour and 6 miles. The step 3 is for our equation. For our equation, we will use the time equals distance over speed. So t is equals to d, distance is 6, speed is 12, so we have 0.5 hours. So therefore, it takes 0.5 hours to reach the park, or we will say 30 minutes. 30 minutes. So we have the answer for question number 1. So the next question is, after spending 2 hours, what time he will reach home? So we need to add the time that he spent 2 hours, plus 30 minutes, or we will use 0.5 for the time that he spent on for he reaches the park, 0.5. So we have 2.5 hours. So after he spent 2 hours, he will reach home after 2.5 hours, or 2 hours and 30 minutes. And that's it. For our step 4, so this is our step 4. This is our step 4. For our step 5, we will state our answer. So it will take 30 minutes to reach to reach the park. And he will reach home after 2 hours and 30 minutes. So that is our statement of our answer. So let's check. Starting time, we have 0. The time home to park, or the starting time to the park is we have 30 minutes. So let's use 0.5 plus the time that he spent on the park, 2 hours, we have 2 hours, 2.5 hours. That's it. For this problem, we have, during Muglasan Festival, Aunt Mila already have a mini donut stall. She's planning to sell also a bunch of juice. She wants to make 8 liters of fruit by mixing orange and pineapple juice. Orange juice costs 2 pesos per liters and pineapple juice costs 3 pesos per liters, and she wants the total cost to be 20. So our step 1, our problem is we need to find out how many liters of each juice she should mix. For our step 2, the assigned variables, x is equal to orange juice and y is equal to pineapple juice. For our step 3, our equation, we have two equations for 8 liters and for 20 pesos. For the 8 liters, we have x plus y is equal x. And for the 20 liters, for the 20 pesos is x 2 plus 3y is equal to 20. So this is 1 and this is 2. Step 4, we need to solve. First, x plus y is equal 8. X equal 8 minus y, so we have this. Next is to solve we need to solve for the second equation. We have already the value of x here, so 2 quantity of 8 minus y plus 3y equals 20. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times y, negative 2, and plus 3y is equal to 20. And we have y is equal to 20 minus 16, and y is equal to 4. And we also need to find the value of x for the first equation, and we have the value for y. So let's put this in the box so that for the x, solve for x for the first equation. So x plus 4 is equal to 8 and x is equal to 8 minus 4. So x is equal to 4. So that will be our value of our y and our x. Step 5. Therefore, Aunt Mila should mix 4 liters for both 4 liters of orange juice, orange and pineapple juice. Let's check if our answer is correct. Step 6. We need to use this equation. So let's input the value of y and x. 2 minus quantity of 4 plus 3 quantity of 4 equals 20. So we have 8 plus 12 equals 20, and 20 is equal to 20. So, therefore, the total cost matches the requirements of the correct solution. And this time, application and modeling with quadratic equation. Our problem is my brother used the ladder. After he used it, he placed it leaning against the wall. The base of the ladder is 6 feet away from the wall, and the ladder reaches the height of 8 feet on the wall. What is the length of the ladder? So first is we need to determine our problem. Step 1. Our problem is that we need to find the length of the ladder. Step 2, we need to assign the variable. So we need C is for the length, but C is not given, so C is question mark. And A is A is 6 feet and B is equivalent to 8 feet. And step 3, our equation will be C squared A squared plus B squared. And step 4, we need to calculate. So C is not yet, it's still unknown, and A is 6 squared plus 8 squared. So C squared is equal to 36 plus 64, and C squared is equal to 100. So we need to square it 10. So our C is equivalent to 10. Step 5. State the answer. So the length of the ladder is 10 feet. Step 6. We need to use this equation. C squared plus 8 squared plus B squared is C is equal to 10 squared is equal to A is 6 squared plus 8 squared, then 100, 36, 64. It is still unknown. So 100 is equal to 100. So our answer is correct. I hope you learned something in this video. Thank you for watching.